What is up, everyone? This is me, Mukesh. Guys, Mukesh. We are back with another one. Yes, guys, 2025 में international track reactions definitely drop होंगे. Bro, let's start with this, bro. Daylight, Hi You. Apparently, this is a reply track to Joey Badass's जो भी था उसका. I think something Ruler, bro. I think Ruler is back. Something कुछ तो ऐसा ट्रैक था जिसमें जोई बैडास जो है वो शॉट्स ले रहे थे वेस्ट कोस्ट के ऊपर. ठीक है, दैट टू मच वेस्ट कोस्ट डी लिखिंग ब्रो, जो जे-जी ने भी बोला था. आई गेस यस, जे-जी ने भी बोला था. बट एनीवे गाइस, डेलाइट हाई यू. केंड्रिक को रिप्लाई नहीं करना पड़ा बिकॉज केंड्रिक ब्रो, ही इज इन द बिग लीग्स ब्रो. जोई, ही इज इन द बिग लीग्स, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिप्लाई टू यू, बट डेलाइट इज गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ जोई. एंड शुरुआत के शॉट में हमें न्यूयॉर्क दिख रहा है ब्रो. शुरुआत के शॉट में हमें वो स्काई स्क्रैपर्स दिख रहे हैं न्यूयॉर्क के ब्रो. Let's go भाई. Daylight, one of the best battle rappers out there. ठीक है, Daylight is not someone who will give you crazy numbers. ठीक है, उनका जो I think last पाए जो ट्रैक था जे कोल के साथ, My Daily Letter, one of my favorite track from that album, that project. अब मुझे पता नहीं वो एल्बम में मिक्स टेप क्या है. एंड Daylight और जे कोल का जो आया था, Plate Full of Collard Greens, I think. But anyway, जे कोल का वर्स, it was killer. ठीक है, one of the best verses in 2024 according to me. वो उस वाले ट्रैक में जे कोल की तरफ से. But anyway, Daylight, Hi You, taking care of Joey here. So without further ado, let's get right into this one, man. Let's break some bars, bro. Oh my, what is... Bro, sponsor us, bro. Sponsor us. Big Basket. Oh, wow, bro. Oh, wow. First of all, this beat is so good. Who is this, bro? Alchemist? No, this is not Alchemist, bro. I don't think so. This is Alchemist. But guys, I'm loving this sample. ठीक है? And New York, shout to Joe Budden and पीछे Eminem है. Joe Budden and पीछे Eminem है. So you see what he's trying to do, bro. Like Joey came after West Coast, ठीक है, but Daylight क्या कर रहा है? अपना प्यार दिखा रहा है. अपना प्यार दिखा रहा है East Coast को, bro. He's good, bro. Bro, he's one of the best battle rapper out there. So he knows how to play the mind games, bro. Let's get it. Shout out.
Yeah. Mama said be nice to him. My demeanor going right through him. Credit line to the max, we overstacking though. Steez on my arm, we can't.
Credit line to the max, we overstacking doors. Lovely bhai. Credit line, credit card limit cross कर दे, we overstacking doors, money. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it.
Credit line to the max, we overstacking though. Steez on my arm, we came for capital.
We came from the capital.
I break up towns. You know my name, boy. I break up clouds. I clear smoke globally. I'm from the
Hey, battle rap. We can see this battle rap, bro. He's one of the best, bro. He's one of the best in the business. And ये जो delivery है, ये भी typical battle rap delivery है. He started off really well, bro. And my name, it clear up clouds. Like जब overcast condition होते हैं, क्यों होते हैं overcast condition? क्योंकि daylight pierce नहीं कर पाता तब. जब डेलाइट पियर्स करता है तब सारे स्मोक भी हट जाते हैं. सो गुड भाई डेलाइट, सो गुड ही इज ब्रो. एंड ही इज आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्मोक, लाइक बीफ rap battle. Let's get it.
You know my name, boy. I break up clouds. I clear smoke globally.
Clear smoke globally.
Scary niggas sit back with this rap, so who controlling me? My clock's at the Western time, but I'm in Brooklyn with the best of the dimes. Like Shorty, I'm one of the best.
Oh wow, Joey is from Brooklyn, bro. Let's get it.
Time, but I'm in Brooklyn with the best.
Is that Rakim?
Who controlling me? My clock's at the Western time.
No.
But I'm in Brooklyn with the best of the dimes. Like Shorty, I'm one of the best in your city. I made a lot of niggas rest in this city. I left my mind there.
Oh man, battle rap again. अपने बैटल रैपिंग डेज की बात कर रहा है कि बहुत सारे आर्टिस्टों को आई पुट देम टू रेस्ट ब्रो इन दिस सिटी. ठीक है, आई पुट देम टू रेस्ट क्योंकि बैटल रैप चलता है और मैं जीतता हूँ. आई पुट दिस रैपर्स टू स्लीप ब्रो. Let's get it. I like the sample though.
With the best of the dimes, like shorty, I'm one of the best in your city. I made a lot of niggas rest in this city. I left my mind there. They should put a statue of me in Times Square. Yeah.
Yes.
From the side where we ride, know the winners in our pride. Finger twisted, lift it high, go. And I did it for they side too. Wake up in the morning, I say hi you. Okay.
New
Chopped
York.
cheese, fresh butters, LA Hatton, Soho with my brother Soul. Told me it's another road.
He just explained his drip, bro. Look at this, LA, rapping LA.
Side two, wake up in the morning, I say hi you. Okay. Chopped cheese, fresh butters, LA Hatton, Soho with my brother Soul. Told me it's another road. You gotta go eat.
With my brother Soul, shout out to App Soul, bro. Let's get it.
LA Hatton, Soho with my brother Soul. Told me it's another road. You gotta go east to tackle the beast. I went east to actually feast and came back with 800K.
Oh wow, bro! Wow. They said you have to go to east to tackle the beast, but I went to east to feast. So good, man.
Fresh butters, LA Hatton, Soho with my brother Soul. Told me it's another road. You gotta go east to tackle the beast. I went east to actually feast and came back with 800K in them black bags for lease.
Let's go.
Cause it's battle rep. Okay, I bought my first mansion with a battle check. Okay, 2 commas.
Oh wow, bro. They said he can't do it because this is not battle rap. Okay, but मैं पहला mansion लाया because of this battle rap, bro. मैंने क्या बोला था शुरुआत में, लाइक वो आपको ऐसे ट्रैक्स नहीं लाकर देगा जो रिप्ले वैल्यू है, जिनके रिप्ले वैल्यू है आप उसको हर मूड में सुन सकते हो. ऐसे ट्रैक्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको डेलाइट के पास. डेलाइट इज अ बैटल रैपर, ठीक है. सो ही नोज हाउ टू थ्रो बार्स, but he doesn't know how to make tracks which are built for the masses. Like he's not someone who will make tracks for the masses, bro. He will make tracks for real hip hop listeners. ठीक है? And this is it, bro. This is it. Look at the rhyme schemes though. ये उसका signature है. Okay. The rhyme scheme ends before that. Like listen to this.
Battle rep. Okay. I bought my first.
एक मिनट.
Beast, I went east to actually feast and came back with 800K in them black bags for lease. They said we couldn't do it cause it's battle rap. Okay.
Battle rap.
I bought my first mansion with a battle check. Okay.
Battle check.
2 commas around
Slang.
my talent show. Okay. I told you niggas I am not the average.
J. Cole. This is definitely I think कोई भी हो सकता है भाई, कोई भी हो सकता है उसमें से. लाइक पाए उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड ड्रॉप किया था एंड देन प्लेट फुल ऑफ कलर ग्रीन्स ड्रॉप किया था. सो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आई लव जे कोल ब्रो. उसको देखकर मेरे को अलग ही एनर्जी आ जाती है. लेट्स गेट इट.
Okay, to my niggas out in Harlem, thanks for all that you done. To them niggas,
Hey, shout out to the OGs, bro. Shout out to the OG, shout out to the roots, bro.
the average. Okay, to my niggas out in Harlem, thanks
Harlem.
for all that you done. To them niggas over the bridge, we tell them don't be dumb. To the
Ooh.
uptown, to the downtown, to the midtown, I love y'all. The west up, but I never dub y'all. For real.
I'll never dub y'all.
Where we ride,
He's using the lingo as well, bro. Let's get it, bro. मैंने क्या बोला था? He's showing love to the East Coast, bro. Daylight is not coming after East Coast. He's coming after that one person, but he's not taking his name. But he's not coming after the East Coast. He's showing love to the East Coast, but he's coming after that one guy who went after West Coast. Let's get it, guys.
I never dub y'all, for real. From the side where we ride, know the winners in our pride. Finger twisted, lift it high, go. And I did it for they side too. Wake up in the morning, I say hi you. Okay, you boys had years to show you the best clear. Now it's people in your class that they consider your peers. It must be the bridge.
He's talking about Joey, bro. He's talking about Joey. I think Joey, Drake, Cole and Kendrick सब लोग एक टाइम पे स्टार्ट किए थे. एक टाइम पे लाइक पर्टिकुलरली एक टाइम पे नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे, बट जोई इज यंगर देन ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है, द बिग थ्री, जोई इज यंगर देन देम. बट आई फील कि जो म्यूजिकल करियर है, जो उनका रैपिंग करियर है, जो भी आप बोलोगे, वो ऑलमोस्ट एक ही टाइम पर शुरू हुआ था. सो ही इज एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट जोई हियर, कि जो तुम्हारे पियर्स है, जो तुम्हारे क्लास के हैं, क्लास के इन द सेंस कि वो सेम कैटेगरी के हैं, जो एक ही टाइम पर तुम सबने शुरुआत किया है. लुक एट देम नाउ ब्रो, दे आर द बिग थ्री, दे आर इन द कॉन्वो. वेयर आर यू ब्रो? तुम किधर हो ब्रो? यू टेकिंग शॉट्स एट वेस्ट कोस्ट, बट तुम खुद किधर हो? यू डिडंट मेक इट ब्रो. ओह वाओ ब्रो, डे लाइट. एंड उसने दिखाया, केंड्रिक का फेस मैंने देखा, ड्रेक का फेस मैंने देखा, एक और फेस मेरे को नहीं दिखा. Was that J. Cole?
You boys had years to show you the best clear. Now it's
Years to
people in
show.
your class that they consider your peers.
Cole. That was Cole. This is Drake
It must
and
be the
Kendrick.
bridge that's making these niggas showboat. First week sales mean nothing to the flow goat. 5 years later, 2
flow
diamonds
goat.
on pure rhyming. Never made a drill track, I never.
Hey, shout out to Pi, bro. Shout out to Pi for making it to the billboards, bro. Right, Daylight deserves this, bro. Daylight deserves this. And Absol as well, bro. And J. Cole as well, bro. Let's get it.
5 years later, 2 diamonds off pure rhyming. Never made a drill
pure
track,
rhyming.
I never went with the climate. Never followed
Wow.
any trends cause I understood the assignment. I was selling for 5K a piece.
Oh my god, bro. He's spitting, bro.
2 diamonds off pure rhyming. Never made a drill track, I never went with the climate.
Never made a drill track and never went with the climate. Never went with the climate मतलब जो सीजन्स आते हैं ना भाई, कि अब ड्रिल ट्रैक बहुत बज रहे हैं, अब ट्रैप बज रहे हैं, अब ड्रिल बज रहे हैं, अब ये जर्सी बज रहे हैं. सो आई स्टेड इन माई लेन ब्रो. I stayed in my lane. He's also a black rapper. He can talk about guns and, you know, D-rugs and whatnot. But he chose not to, bro. He chose not to. Let's get it, bro.
I never went with the climate. Never followed any trends cause I understood the assignment. I was selling for 5K a piece, 10K if I sign it. They said,
Let's
like
go.
him be the best if he had the numbers. Well, guess what, nigga? I got the numbers. It's time for your block to slumber. They wanna call now, I block the number. You blizzard niggas, we'll squash the tundra.
West Coast.
I'm from the city where the sun shine clearly, and I mean that. I hope you niggas hear me. If you don't, then it's a dearly departed off of some shit that y'all started. Yeah, we cool, but the feeling's still eerie. Be humble.
We'll take that back and listen to that again, bro. Hey, look at the West Coast, bro. The palm trees, the sunshine. Let's get it.
Block the slumber. They wanna call now. I block the number. You blizzard niggas, we'll squash the tundra. Hunger. I'm from the city where the sun shine clearly, and I mean that. I hope you niggas hear me. If you don't, then it's a dearly departed.
Hear me?
Off of some shit that y'all started. Yeah, we cool, but the feeling's still eerie.
Eerie. Hear me. Eerie. Like ear, hear me, but also eerie. The feeling is eerie because you are taking shots at West Coast. You wouldn't be able to handle the smoke, bro. Okay? You think that you want the smoke, but trust me, you don't. Trust me, you don't, bro. The feeling is eerie, bro. And he said, be humble. Shout out to Kendrick. Sit down, be humble. Let's get it.
That y'all started. Yeah, we cool, but the feeling's still eerie. Be humble.
Cool. Oh, this sample is so good. Carry on. Now the end. भाई 20 सेकंड छोड़ दिया भाई. ओह वाओ ब्रो, 20 सेकंड कुछ नहीं बोला भाई, कुछ भी नहीं बोला 20 सेकंड में भाई. But guys, shout out to Daylight. How you loved this track, bro? Loved this track. Proper clap back towards Joey's track. You know, Joey was more aggressive, and Joey wanted to like show his aggression. He wanted to show his aggression, and he wanted to say, "I'm here to represent the East Coast." And to be very honest, I really liked Joey's approach. I really liked Conductor Williams' beat. I liked his flow. Joey's track was fire. Okay, Joey's track was fire. Somebody gotta represent East Coast, bro. He did. and Daylight came in hard, bro. He came in hard, bro. He's a battle rapper. He's a battle rapper, bro. ठीक है, throwing punches, giving these bars, and I'm sure कि जो वेस्टर्न हिप हॉप कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स होंगे वो इसमें से और भी ज़्यादा बार्स निकालेंगे, और भी ज़्यादा बार्स. ठीक है, मैं बहुत ही सरफेस लेवल बार्स कैच किया, वो लोग डीप जाएंगे. आई नो इट फॉर श्योर ब्रो, वो लोग डीप जाएंगे क्योंकि डेलाइट कभी भी एक सरफेस लेवल बार लिखता नहीं है, उसके हमेशा 2-3 मीनिंग्स होते हैं. बट यू हैव टू बी डीपली रूटेड टू दैट कल्चर to understand each and every bar or each and every references or each and every things. So anyways, I did the best I could, bro. But what is this beat? But this beat was so good. The sample was so good, and the sample said the voice said, "Carry on, bro. Keep going, keep it moving, Joey." But anyway, Daylight, hi you, and let me know in the comment section below, guys. कैसा लगा आपको ये ट्रैक? इंटरनेशनल हिप हॉप हम चेकआउट कर रहे हैं एंड डेफिनेटली आगे भी जाकर चेकआउट करेंगे. बट लेट मी नो योर थॉट्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. आई विल पोस्ट कंटेंट. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन.